Akwaba and found brand GCN page so Mesro subscribe to my channel found some bell on so ube a notification any sun news at the bed to be a winny beauty and as a winny share a GCN page hamiding a day adwa searching ura ma de Jibril eka NDC communication team members na ura ma de na okase na ne sema okenya ne se eye Ghana youth na sisi omwani abre a enti se biebimu edi nsemhunu a eno beti na omo abobitu ene obeti na we akobi ade achese nsema ekoso e wo man Ghana ni mu enye no e fa ejina eye young boys a omo ewura politics ma enche na omo drive cars akese esisi fia kese no ni na eka ho na Ghana youth ni bi se bi omo ani abre no na de enti a owura ma de eka se na ne se ye be fa ne se area bi wo ho no na se galamse e wo ho na abranti bi wo ho okogala obeba ne se bi obenye sika kakra de bi beto aduane ahwe ne ho ahwe abusia na sa ben bi ba na se obetwa galamse ne mu na onfa adwuma bi emba na se branch no na se sa branch no onye bi enya e de ne bre na eba na afem so se ne bre na de ba no ohwe na ne nua bi oyen young just on ne see so e bi on ne kwa ne bo bra no na okora politics enche bia na o kaka kese osisi fia kese no ni na eka ho na ede ani bre no eba youth na fan ti se bio ensehu na ekoso e wo manga ni mu ekoso e na obete na omo akidnap obi e na obete na obi eye mobile man omo akobo ni tu e na obete na omo eku police ni because of sika ni na eye young politicians na omura politics ma enche bia na omo drive cars akese no eno na ede ani bre no abre youth na say na owura ma de ede etudwa.
The news that we are taking now is making it much even scary. Me, the security apparatus in him say, "Ya nya nkrofo say ye training youth e ha." But I think that it means omunim baby omuwo, omunim they have information. They must by now put in those areas and tell the country say bia then maybe obi on those issues. But say be can say ni there. You see, idea I will not support that idea. But let's look at even the internet. Most countries in sub-regions where these terrorism attacks. For example, like say Boko Haram, it's a religious something, and political in Nigeria. So what we are knowing is that when I did Nyama way back, I just question we have to start engaging our leaders. Say imams, any pastors, and our attitude as a mind. Oh, most of the times now, those people feel say, yeah, how, but obi my that independent, that freedom to also believe that yes, no be. So we are going to fight for our rights. Now, idea, and in fact, that is why the time now is Western girl issues no buy no. I say, if you don't manage it well, this is how it starts. No be feel say send me
fasting, no fasting. No.
Yes. Me your tax. Me your money be. No be I can tell me say me percentage ni endorse 20 me yeah. Okay, say me not to me then who can tell me this? Now obi adisa be show be timu. Then people start going on the rampage say yeah G to me be yeah G independent be esimu. And that's how it goes. If you take all the country, if Russia say separatists by yeah all those ones obi feel say yes sir. And there'll be more right, FISO. And we need education. It's more about education. For us to believe, you say, everybody have that right, everybody has kind of independent freedom to operate. Once those things happens, it reduces those issues. Again, it's also because of our attitudes. You see, around area, you see, yes, stop it, Juma. Then you find another young man just because he's in politics. Within short time, or driving car can see. This angers some of them. Sitting so say, I didn't be. We have to look at our attitudes to get those things. But this issue as our mind, amount for a G a dime over 2000, I think early 2016 or so. And I actually obi or doctor say why grenade. Because what kind of issues. Up to now, who said I go end you? Up to now, who said now didn't echo end it. People we show the grenade, so be almost at almost grenade Ghana. So ebi na say obi be ku up to date almost 1.5 years or 2 years. The exact case in so. These are things that when you fight, you go faster on it. I bet you better deter from this happiness. But again, I've been in Algeria before. In fact, Algeria, because of such things now, almost for security, not in clothing, more into the system. Say we're a taxi driver, we're a truck driver. In fact, they are always everywhere. And now they are more. Don't you know, bus stop for some time. Security between Bajinaga say, me security. Me say, me searching your mouth. In Algeria. In fact, random. And yes, random. To me, no. Who a bus? Mom to be Jina bus. Search you, Bia. But today, President me say, your bus is say to quine. Odu appear and say, Oko. No, especially the nice buses now to quine low do. If I say these big name buses, you know, can't stop them. Nobody stop STC to check it. Nobody stop VIP.
I didn't know him stop.
That is how the mentality that we have.
Now, and also, are you looking at the inconvenience? Until you ain't me pay coin for Frobisu. I'm asking questions. So
inconvenience, but when we are in this stage, our man fought better video to start counting their baby. The inconvenience is not there again. Our safety is important now.
But I'm saying, I'm saying, say, until you ain't me pay coin biaso. And yes, I did.
You have to adopt a system, say the station for Cabell to come.
Yeah, me, we are saying, Papa, ni be we na fe na mo born in Samanane. Papa, ni be we na fe na mo catch it, say, one of the first president who was able to do free education for the whole Ghanaians. Papa, ni be we na mo catch it, say, one of the a tea ko be a friend NAPCO. My friends are unemployment graduate people. Papa, ni be we mo kind of force I catch them, me say. One the president and no train your phone. Or no, not Bemuna who did not attempt to no one country. Papa, ni be woman, my castle, say, go for the Bermuda and out to me trap Muton, woman. Nay, do Abaye Biama. Now, Abaye Biama. Oh, Ghana for this is the kind of people you are. This is the kind of people you are. But the name of your Kufa on the secretary. You don't come together as a journalist. You don't come together as a bloggers. You don't come together as a citizens. And when I catch them, some more bad citizens. They're from Chichiro. More bad citizens. You're from Chichiro. Citizens are the Chichiro. This is a dear time and Sanama video. And just you can't someone go and Sanama follow you. And just you go Wufi and Sanama me a star. Men pester Biao. Massa me born the bro. Chale me a serious show. Chale, I don't depend on MPP and ECO. Chale. I know where I came from. Oh. I know where I start life from. Me catch from me to family yogurt. I'll never stop saying this. I know the Ghana I belong to, no. Obi a person including our every parliament, every court to them, every ironful, every Kufa different to me. And you people are disgracing him as somebody you never hear in Ghana. Mu kuru ufise obi amonte mu ne no ma pa na se mu ni suma da wo Ghana. Hey. Ene ka wudi na tema wa edi. Hello. Ya nya ohwe. Na na do de wudi na tema. Obi antwechew. National security kura yedin. What do you say? Yeah, Mr. Papa, when he said Mra, because of so, or ye Mranimni, or ye lawyer cassia, Mra, and nobody with me, Jagana for, or Magana for Kennedy. Say, Mra Dianado, a corner who you, and I want to know who you are. A teacher for now who to come you, not go you, comparison who be no, Ghana for what control you. Propaganda, though. Then 20 years though, young would finish in you. Yes, son, Ghana for you. Enti Emra. Nana Emra, the other boy, young former watching and win. Young Yama also move school free. And Yankali Musia, more power for a meme Kasama woman. On social media, I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media. to insult anybody. I'm nobody to nobody. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people, they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni railway sinyajimo. Journalists bi atimi aka wasem do. Omo faso kotofo suntalehye. Omo twamu ho ekoba. Journalists bi atimi akotan radio station aka wasem. But atem de die etimi tena woye. Atem de die etimi damne ho blogger. And the Ghana journalists na mo ye blogger. And the bloggers no kura ye e ko manim e wo followers senemo. Because of that, you guys are so disappointed to the country. Bloggers, you know, our followers because you did them. So journalists are Ghana and started in the day. I pay followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called the name you put in yourself, journalists. And the journalists a bit second, Captain Smart. And it was a journalist, and a broker or a broker. Don't tell me, say, Captain Smart TV, a TV station, bio. And I mean, Sabato TV, Namatiano, Minion Packet Woe. Niana me be a madio. Mancoyo be a human sound. Me be a Sabato TV, by myself, by my dream. I didn't go to any journalism school. And I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists. But I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge to change their life to become better life. I tell you, who journalists no crowd we have no. Nyansa ni atina dem tremuni bi.